Thinking about saving a few £100 on a mini split might feel good at the checkout, but you're likely setting yourself up for a nightmare. If you don't understand the difference between a budget build and a precision machine, you aren't buying comfort. You're buying a ticking time bomb that'll leave you sweating in July when the replacement parts are nowhere to be found. Look, I spent years as a Navy nuclear electrical operator before I ever touched a residential AC unit. In 17 years of turning wrenches in the HVAC world, I've learned one thing. Engineering matters more than marketing. I don't care about the shiny logos. I care about what keeps your house at 72 degrees when it's 100 outside. Today, we're pitting the Whynter Energy Star Series against the Gree Vireo Gen3. These are two completely different approaches to ductless comfort. One is a value play designed to get you in the door, and the other is a high-efficiency workhorse built to outlast your mortgage. Both of these come out of China, but don't get caught up in the made in label. China is the hub for ductless tech. The difference is in the specs the brands demand. Gree is a massive global manufacturer that builds their own gear, while Whynter focuses on high-value retail units. Here's the first real divide. The Gree Vireo comes with a coated coil. In my world, that's your first line of defense against the invisible killer, corrosion. Without that coating, the moisture on your coils eventually eats through the aluminum. The Whynter doesn't list that protection, which means in humid climates, it's playing defense with no pads. Both use variable speed inverter compressors, which is the gold standard for ductless. It's like having a dimmer switch for your cooling instead of an on-off toggle. You get smooth, consistent air without that annoying thump every time the system cycles. But how they use that tech is where the efficiency gap starts. The Whynter pulls a 22.0 SEER, which is a solid B grade. It's efficient and will save you money, but the Gree Vireo Gen3 hits a 25.5 SEER. That's a massive jump. In the long run, that Gree is going to sip electricity while the Whynter gulps it, especially during those brutal seasonal swings. Now, let's talk about the wallet. You can find the Whynter averaging around $860. The Gree, you're looking at $1,844.95. That's nearly $1,000 difference. You have to ask yourself, is that extra efficiency and protection worth doubling your upfront cost? Whynter gives you 1 year on parts and 5 on the compressor. Gree gives you 10 years on both. As a guy who's had to tell homeowners their 6-year-old unit is a total loss because the compressor died out of warranty, I can tell you that Gree's 10-year promise is worth its weight in gold. Keep it simple. These things need to breathe. If you don't wash those filters every month, you're restricting airflow and forcing that compressor to work twice as hard. Do the basic maintenance, and you won't have to see a guy like me nearly as often. If you're on a tight budget for a workshop or a temporary fix, the Whynter is fine. But for your home, you go with the Gree Vireo Gen3. Between the 25.5 SEER efficiency and the 10-year warranty, the Gree pays for itself in reliability. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.